they will see his business as a wealthy business. But won't be a necran because I want to mention sound, you know, maybe I'll propose out the Kwasia. I have a team of 5 girls, 8 boys. We are dancers. We want to sew uniform, Emma's uniform, so that we shall go and do Show Me Your Love on stage. Oh, I'm on because I beat in a trim. Slim, sure. You people come sit on social media and behave as if everything is okay. You see how I behave? This is who I am. Hey, me say me say me say banchio, gario, dear no medi. Na me to media come no prema me who atomia. That is what I'll stand for. Inti me mfame ho to ton kwasi asem so. Slim, you are there blaming Nana Akufo-Addo. And untumi ye adwuma and untumi ye hwe ba niam a waye no unhu ye. Na wadwene so aye wo say sebi se mahama ba and abedi ye de na edue because ma. Se wo de wo wura ni na akoshem say mahama ba and obedi ye Slim, forget, you will not be well again. Baby I do know. Me pacho ye chem say mu say sa na me ye no. Ye man knowledge ni wi a. Na ye de 15 na bonija. Ye de niam egu ha, niam egu ha pa ntimonto mo bo ase. Utie, I'm showing you things are Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo ne MPP aban dia ba. Anka na ewo ho time wana Slim Basta etoto sa ne Kwasia anom na anka ne company sengu. You couldn't even keep a dance company. Say, sa dance company no ewe he. Sa dance for now boys now what see omo kura sa omo ye dancers no. How well did you treat them? Or should we bring them on camera for them to also come and expose you, including the girls in it? Oh, sorry. Oh, me am dancers. Not only omo da. Obi onim kwesi apia bia nim say me ni ge bia anya adwuma ne na. Mo pa mo fa me ko ba bia. Me ni ge bia anya adwuma ne na da. Obi onim me bia be ka kire wo. Cause I don't do that. Edum ja. Because me the ade bia se mitiri say. Say woni we koye adwuma. Chairman, na say be woni na akoda. Ochina woni we ada. They say one e be your fans. Na again so wa ba so ahwe no be pese o one star boy ne won to obetena ho into wuti anya yi a na nka wo mo mbetumi aya wo fans aton wonwom no we de ye ni na break obi akoma obi antumi nso mu bio. That is how you broke your own dance company down. Na ne sa boy turumu boy ba ko bi no de ana we woman dress your ba no so many na ba out in there. You have no shame. You couldn't keep a dance together. Dance for mumejina onye break dance like Slim Basta, you couldn't keep it together. But you have the audacity to call Dr. Baumia's name and bash Dr. Baumia. What but damn papa now Dr. Baumia no we busuenya ni mu ha fukura 770 are any san ka we wakoka lending. Slim why wo Baumia unya Baumia ko to dwe keke kakra po ewo we busua mu a anka nie kwai na adwo to Kwasia bi aba no abeka bi ahwe no kan Kwasia asem. Oh yeah, analysis now. Something struck me. You know, he loves Chinny Jonas. He loves Kevin Taylor. And from when I saw that, then I'm saying, no, this guy is done. He has lost it. Shall we age? Mama menkasem. Ubi afana ajune mama. Monsha age. Monsha Slim Basta age. Mr. Evelyn. Slim Basta we when you change Chinny Jonas bibre anameboa. Slim Basta papa me pese me gidi se owonyansa e change Chinny Jonas meboa. Slim Basta busua pani me nim no ba se sa na ye de wo mo ba ne de ane che se enye but me gidi se omo wonyansa na unim ade bi e nwanwa omo ni na so to Slim Basta fu share no how to grow when to me ansua when ni aye pani toto at this time no and obesue nyansa free Chinny Jonas so all the real life e bi trend na ka green e ka no ha see e ka se life na beat you omo that is how it is obi ye die ye nahi cause wa be semu a ontumi mo bra bia enti no obi small boy bi ye bibi kakra na ye ne ya me senti obi omumamo me say Chinny Jonas we yes he is me I don't subscribe to the foolishness of him insulting our leaders and whatnot. Yes, he might have some pointers here and there, but most of his things, and they say, and Penifo, I would do on my term. I'm not going to condone that. He does that, I'll come after him and done. But listen, Slim Basta Penny Montre, Penny Toto, and that you're running briefs, yes, Shanwa, Sabi, never been in there through Jenny. So, a bear, we are so well to me and Shanyan Sa, copy me so Obeshia, Chini Jonas. Can you imagine? You just think about it. I want you to ponder about it, because I'm expecting my senior brother to at least have more life experiences than I have. Okay? I'm expecting my father to have more direction for me than my brother. This is a scenario where we have somebody called Kevin Taylor who lives in a cubicle with his white girl, sits there, sets up his own questions and answers them. When his money doesn't go, he insults Mahama. When the money goes, he comes and says, no, Mahama, no vote. Such a fool. We NDC me, we take Kevin Taylor. At time, one more grassroots, juma, NDC party. Na me bejinaka se NDC fo Gyimia na abodamfo bi akotete nkurasefo bi ati se momba attack me Kwasia apia. Now, look, yo, did Slim Bastard get the memo? Did that guy get the memo? And I went your memo. Them say when your memo no. Because Uncle Nyamemo now go put a friend to me and Bisa Mahama say, what's the idea a duly commission? Plain and two of 2021 and now do down kwa by idea Mahama Rio airport. And I'm say, Papa, we have some money to no position. Or to no position and to me Juma. So what the Mahama betina presidents in the so I want to me Juma. Planting for food and jobs. Yen near the buy. Eban send yen near the buy. Oh, send Mahama cry yen and near general say ye bay. Ah, say. Oh, ya kwaji who's scared in us ye bay. Hey, Musa kwaji ska. Some of planting for food and jobs. And I went to me anye. Dr. Baumia was right. You people are indeed incompetent, yampa. Ma kwaji ska. When the bear planting for food and jobs. Went to me anye. MPP buy on my year, I on my year. Equiafua benefit, I equiafua benefit. Please, a man for buffer stock, buffer stock, and you want to come back? Yes, you want to come back because Ghana it is 8 years, 8 years. Ka year be one by Yeku or lebo like a cho Isaac J. Gyimifuo ye womi wa. Kwasia asem no yemu. Ah, now Louis, ojino ho a eto asum. Louis, asem a miki eto asum. Hey. O confirm free education yes ye you yate monfa who papers mra say yes I you ye try say the yes ye try say ye na ye ntuaka afei jena no pokwa Gyimai 2022 ye bisa ne sa na manye free education afei de wakase ne ye ni ho aka de na ye ni ho aka de we couldn't do it. What kind of government are you people looking for? Are you looking for a developmental government, or you are looking for a government that will come and look for what the unknown in the party for only a few people be able to? Because the people quasi interchange same way. Now me pokwasi the no. Now me dream say NDC will hide their heads in shame after the brouhaha they did with the Kaswa interchange and the Kwame Nkrumah interchange. Now me gidi say and common form and nimukura me yeden emeto. So I was surprised. Say after 36 months while they were in opposition, all of a sudden a Mahama project. Who could be say Mahama project was because there were Mahama Trimuso obey. Oh no person ye. I know person ye. Intiam fam ayam fam and cause on a general so obey. Why don't say Ghana year for pa? Ya no be Sasa we say baby and I'm saying sa de me be start ya kapa. Ghana for muntie. Ya no be. Life is funny. Ya no be. I'm on no ne papa minister owoska. Ne papa mfana nko international school and kotua school. Or say Nkrumah free education ni kobi. Nyame so andi papa ya bro. Enu ntie ne we be the president emane your former president. Aban bi ba no ka say the way awunya akwanya ediko school no mame maga nani akola bia so sa opportunity no na Mahama gina o say free education ye 419.
but ono could be a president. Now we NDC need in a chi 2018 or so no deal was a scanner as the president here on fine free education. Now o ye mame, o ye papa, o ya wo phone say free education e boa pa. Na ojina ho say sebe in preduasa. Se enye wo wa ban ne de aba. Na mo ho premo se chinchini a NDC mbrenti no. Charlie, life is very, very sad. Life is very sad. Now, let me focus on why I came here today. I came here today because of my Friends of Bawumia people. I'm gonna end soon, like I promised you. There's just a short thing that I want to do. Friends of Bawumia